Hello, and welcome to the People Password Enrollment tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the Enrollment Center. Users can come here to enroll their Windows user account into the People Password system or to simply change their enrollment answers. Your company information will be here. The look and feel is completely customizable. Let's go ahead and get started. With Windows Integrated Security, the computer will already know who is enrolling. In order to allow your users to easily reset their passwords, you will need a way to authenticate your users. And People Password is a secure multi-factor authentication system. You can choose how many and what authentication methods you would like to use. The Enrollment Center will capture a few of these if you are currently not in the Active Directory. Once a user is enrolled, they can come back here to make any changes. One authentication method you may choose is a mobile number. The mobile number authentication allows users to receive secure SMS messages to help reset password. So let's go ahead and type in a number here. Okay, in addition, the Enrollment Center can capture an alternate email address, like a personal email, in case they forgot or don't have access to their work email. So let's go ahead and type in an email. People Password comes with a default list of security questions that are completely customizable. In addition, you can create your own questions. You can also choose how many questions you want to ask them. Let's just go ahead and answer a couple of these. Let's do that one. Okay. Here, your users have an opportunity to verify their answers. Press Finish. And congratulations, they've successfully enrolled in People Password. It's that simple. Want more information on how to reset passwords? Check out our tutorial video on password recovery or download a free trial today. Our support team is here to help you along the way.